Hi, everybody.
Hello.
I'm Danny. I'm here at Children's Museum Houston, and I'm joined by my friend Sabrina.
Hello.
How are you, Sabrina?
Good.
Have you visited us at Children's Museum Houston before?
Yes.
You have. How many times would you say? Like 2 or like 20 or?
I think like 10 because I've been here for a couple of birthdays and for secret missions.
Very cool. Secret missions, birthdays. We have all sorts of fun things going on here at the museum. Do you have a favorite gallery that you like to explore?
I kind of like Flowworks in the outer space.
Okay, very cool, especially in the summertime, right?
Yes.
It's a nice relief for a little bit. Well, today, everybody, we are going to show you all how to make one of our junction craft activities that we have going on all week here at the museum, and that is how to make your own mermaid crowns. Now, if you want to try this activity at home, all you need are some pieces of paper, just some long pieces of paper. They can really be any color that you're just going to cut into little strips. And then we have printed at the museum different colored seashells here, and we have different varieties of these seashells. You can just find these pictures online, or you can just take a marker and draw your own starfish or shells or things like that at home. So all we're gonna do for starters is we're gonna take our pieces of paper and we're gonna turn them into a headband that we can wear. Are you excited?
Yes.
Awesome. Here we go. And then we're just gonna take that long piece of paper, wrap it around your head so that you get a size that fits, and then you can tape it together to make a loop. All right, so we have our crown or our headband shape. Now we are going to go ahead and color and cut out these different shells. And we can just decorate this however we want. We can put them all in the front. We can put them going around the sides, whatever you'd like. All right, we have done some coloring. We've cut out our different seashell shapes. And now, that's hard to say. Seashell shapes. See,
Like how Sally sold seashells by the seashore.
See, we're getting all sorts of skills that we get to practice today. We're gonna go ahead and take these, decorate our crowns any way we want, and we'll show you what they look like after we're done. And we're done. Check it out. We have our mermaid crowns. We are officially mermaid royalty, mermaid princesses, I suppose you would say, or are you a mermaid queen?
I think I'm a princess.
You're mermaid princess. All right, that's fair.
I also think I hear the ice cream truck.
You can hear what?
The ice cream truck.
The ice cream truck. Oh, mermaids can eat ice cream, right?
I think so.
I think they can. I think that's probably what we're going to need to do. Thank you very much, everybody at home, for joining us today. We hope you had fun making your mermaid crowns. Thank you, Sabrina, for helping me show everybody how it's done. And we'll see you all again soon. Bye.
Bye.